Hi Gators, I'm Elahe, a fellow SF State student, and on behalf of Health Promotion and Wellness, I want to wish you a happy Health Tip Tuesday. While we continue shelter in place and begin distance learning, I'm here to share my top 5 tips and tricks to keep your body nourished and healthy during this time. Just because we're learning at home doesn't mean school is any less stressful. All right, let's get into it. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Keep a bottle of water at your desk and make it a goal to finish it before class ends. Staying hydrated throughout the day not only reduces the risk of fatigue and headaches, but research has also shown that hydration can improve your attentiveness and ability to solve problems. While I can't promise it'll make calculus any easier, it is worth a shot. Tip number 2, reach for easy to grab and nourishing snacks. Snacks are key in keeping you fueled and energized during a day. Even though we are stuck at home, we're still busy jumping from class to class. To keep you motivated and help avoid grabbing for snacks that don't really fill you up, keep healthy, easy to grab snacks readily available to enjoy while you study. Here are a few of my favorite snacks. Oatmeal and bananas. Apples with nut butter. Carrots and hummus. Popcorn. And last, almond with grapes. Tip number 3, schedule meal and snack times. Have you ever focused on something that you completely lose track of time and realize you haven't eaten in like 6 hours? I mean, hey, it happens. To avoid this, I like to schedule times to step away from my desk to enjoy a meal or a snack, even if it's just for 5 minutes. It's time away from my computer, which gives my brain and my eyes a break. As college students, it's important that we eat every 3 to 5 hours to keep our energy levels up. Now, I know finding time to make enough meals to eat every 3 to 5 hours can sound daunting, but simple things like meal planning and meal prepping can help you save time and ensure you have well-balanced meals ready to go. Tip number 4, pick up your takeout. While I'm all for supporting local businesses in my neighborhood, I'm not a fan of paying delivery fees. Are you? If you're able to, why not pick up your takeout? Not only does it help you spend less on food, it gets you outside and moving. Getting outside and moving your body helps relieve stress and improve your sleep. It also improves your blood circulation, so more oxygen gets to your brain, which helps it work better. So really, moving makes you smarter. Tip number 5, add complex carbohydrates to your diet. I don't know about you, but I love a good carb. Scientifically speaking, carbohydrates are our body's preferred form of energy. But not all carbs are created equal. To keep your body energized and full longer, opt for complex carbs like whole grains, beans, fruits, and veggies. Complex carbs contain fiber, which helps keep us feeling full longer, which means Zoom calls won't be interrupted by the sound of your stomach grumbling. Talk about embarrassing. That's all the tips I have for you all today. Do you have any tips that have helped you stay nourished during shelter in place? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Before you go, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at SF State Cares for updates on our latest events and activities. For more information on resources that can help you stay safe and healthy during this time, please visit the Health Promotion and Wellness website at wellness.sfsu.edu. See you next week for another Health Tip Tuesday.